Hello, my name is Marielle and I am a caffeinated human and the regional leader at 787 Coffee. Our Cortado is a Spanish term that means cut or to cut. This coffee beverage is made by pouring a shot of espresso into a small cup, adding equal parts steamed milk. How to make a Cortado at home? Begin by brewing 1 to 2 shots of espresso using an espresso machine. Using a milk frother or pitcher, steam 2 to 4 ounces of milk until it becomes velvety and textured, known as microfoam. Gently pour the steamed milk over the espresso shot. The ratio of espresso to milk should be around 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, depending on your preference. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade Cortado. Stay caffeinated and watch our Coffee Drinks Explained guide courtesy of 787 Coffee, a from farm to cup coffee experience. Sustainable growing process, roasted to perfection and brewed with passion and love.